Hi guys, welcome back to day 2 of Energy Week. I am here with my son, Adrian. Say hi, Adrian.
Hi.
He wanted to be part of this and he asked if he could say,
Eat your vegetables.
that was all on his. Good training, right? So today we're going to talk a little bit about an energy experiment that you can do to help you find out what foods give you energy and which ones don't. We want to find out which foods give us energy, which ones are taking it away, zapping our energy, and we feel groggy and tired and need a nap. So it may seem really obvious which foods are doing it, but I think that when we really stop to test it, we can be surprised on foods maybe that we didn't know were making a difference, because I've found that with myself. So it's pretty easy to figure out which foods are going to help you and which foods aren't. I do in the coaching practice what's called a 4-day energy experiment, but I'm going to have you guys do a 1-day experiment to see, honey, you need to give me my arm back. He has to sit next to me. But I want you guys to see which foods are giving you energy just for 1 day. So maybe tomorrow or any day this week is what I want you to do is just kind of evaluate how foods make you feel. So when you eat, I'm going to make sure I don't miss any of my notes here, so I'm going to scroll through this. But as you eat throughout the day, you need to know right when you're done eating how you feel. Do you feel good, energetic, happy? You can even tie an emotion to it. And then 2 hours later, go back and write how you feel. So let's say if you saw my breakfast that I posted this morning, I had eggs and all of that. Well, I didn't eat anything until lunch. In fact, I wasn't hungry at lunchtime. So at 12:30 or 1, I was like, oh my gosh, I really better eat something. It's not good to do that either, but I wasn't hungry. So that's how that made me feel. It kept me satisfied and full. Okay, Adrian, he's drinking a Zevia. So can you put it down, please? Okay, anyways, so we want to note how they feel. So you want to note how you feel right after you eat it and how you feel 2 hours later. You are going to be so surprised at foods that you think you're eating or drinking for energy that are actually draining you and making you feel like you need a nap. So a prime example is, let's say you have a sandwich at lunchtime, and then then you go sit at your desk, or you go, sit at your computer, or whatever it is that you do. You're outside with the kids. You feel groggy and tired. That food is draining you. You may have felt really good right after lunch, but then it brings you down. I have noticed this with my afternoon cup of coffee. I used to think I had to have it, and I'm still fully in the habit of having it. I'm really working on it. I have a tea that tastes just like coffee that I drink a lot as a replacement now, so I'm slowly weaning myself. But I notice when I drink my coffee, I have a short pick-me-up, and then boom, I crash within an hour. So rather than having that energy go up, it actually brings me back down, and so it does worse for me. So that's what I want you guys to notice. And I would love to hear from you guys what you noticed when you're evaluating your day, and really do it with an honest sense of evaluation. Don't do it with I already know what happens when I eat this or that, because I really want you to see even fruit might bring you down. Fruit to me tends to bring me up, but if I really want to boost, I add a little protein to it. Maybe some nuts, or I do a lot of almond butter now. I'm really into almond butter. It was an adjustment, but I really like it. Okay, so those are my tips for that. Like I said, I really want to hear your results. And if you guys want me to send you some sort of log so that you have a way of kind of knowing what you should be marking down as you eat, let me know, and I'll make something up and I'll send it out to everybody. Otherwise, that's it. Tomorrow on plan is I'm going to go through all of the food groups, and then we're going to talk about which ones you should be buying. So like I kind of mentioned it yesterday, but like eggs, you should be buying cage-free. That type of thing. What kind of meat should you be buying? And stuff like that. And then what's coming up later this week? Later this week, we're going to be talking about chocolates, what we should do if we want chocolate, because you should be able to have anything you want on a healthy lifestyle. And then we'll be, later in the week, I'll be posting some recipes and stuff like that. So anyhow, let me know if there's any requests you have for information. I know I've had a couple questions posted, and I really appreciate it. So anyhow, Adrian, hold on. He needs my attention. So I'll be back, but let me know if you need anything else.
No.
Bye, guys. Oh, say bye.
Bye. Don't eat too much candy.
Oh, is it not good for you?
No.
Does it make you tired or happy?
Tired.
What if you go to a parade? Can you eat all that candy?
No.
Oh, good boy. Say bye.
Bye.